What you look like and how you represent yourself to the outside world really matters. Maybe even more than you might think. If I would be sitting here wearing a garbage bag, would you take me seriously? I don't think you would. So if you take a look at this picture and you can pick between A or B, which of these two pictures would you think you would take more seriously, or who would be more likable? I will give you a second to think about this. But obviously most people would pick picture B, even though they are the same person. But in picture B, this person has taken more care of themselves and how they represent themselves. This is what your dashboard desperately needs. Hi, my name is Romy Lodewijk and I'm working for Figma Business Intelligence, which is a data solution company from the Netherlands. And I am here to teach you all the ins and outs of UI and UX design. And I will make sure that your dashboard will go from this to the Tom Cruise of the dashboards. This is the very first time that the two countries, India and the Netherlands, are working together on a training like this. So let me guide you through why this training is really important if you're working in report and dashboarding or data in general. So first of all, if we take a look at this dashboard, and imagine this is a real life scenario, which it is. These are the dashboards and the dashboard designs that we see regularly. And what is the first thing that you notice when you take a look at this dashboard? If you can notice anything, to be honest. Because the first thing I see is the inconsistency and the messiness of this dashboard. If I would be someone, and I am not, I am a UI UX designer, but if I would be someone that needs this data to get results, I would have no idea where I can find them. It is so busy, there's so many things happening on my screen right now that I have no idea where I can find my results, which will result in having no results. We don't want that to happen. So to prevent this, I will guide you in this course through some interesting and really creative ways how to solve this problem. First of all, I will guide you through 7 report design rules. When we design a dashboard, these are the rules that we follow. I will guide you through some color theory, some fonts, how we can implement this into a Power BI report, but also designing upfront. So we don't start in Power BI, but we start in Figma. And Figma is a free design and prototyping tool where we can design our reports before we build them in Power BI. And this way, we can think about the colors, the fonts, and everything up front, but also how many visuals we want to show on a report page. Maybe 10 is way too much, and you can just put 4 visuals on a page. This will make your dashboard more easy to read. And by following this course, I will guide you through this whole timeline of creating a dashboard from A to Z.